Hi, I'm Martin Stuart, author of Etiquette for the Average Joe. When you walk through a neighborhood like this, you don't normally think about crime, but you should. Because one of the most horrific crimes this neighborhood has ever seen is taking place in here right now. John Vandekamp and his wife, Susan, are allowing their 2-year-old boy, Noble, to record the outgoing message.
I'm sorry, we're not home.
Yeah, do it again. Ready, set.
A boy who can barely speak is now the family spokesperson.
I'm sorry, I'm home.
Yeah.
When allowing your child to record the outgoing message, wait. Wait until they have a grasp of the English language, or something bad might happen.
Mrs. Vandekamp,
Yes?
we've been getting complaints from family and friends.
About what?
They say they can't understand what the heck is on their answer machine. Honey, what's wrong?
This police officer is saying that people can't understand the outgoing message on our machine.
Well, that's not possible.
Are you calling your friends and family liars?
No, I mean,
No.
of course not, but
It's really cute.
yes, it's absolutely adorable, actually.
Yeah.
Well, I'm going to have to put these little furry handcuffs on your son and bring him downtown.
I'm Martin Stuart, and if you have an etiquette question, visit me at etiquettefortheaveragejoe.com.